Welcome you all. Today we are here with another phrasal verb, and that is accede to. Accede to means give consent, to attain or assume an office, title or dignity, succeed. So these are a couple of meanings of this phrasal verb accede to. इसको हम उर्दू में तस्लीम करना या कबूल करना भी कहते हैं। आप यहाँ पे देखें जैसे ये स्ट्राइकर्स जो है वो कुछ इनकी डिमांड्स हैं और ये चाहते हैं कि इनकी मुतालबात को कबूल किया जाए। सो दिस इज़ द सिचुएशन और हियर वी कुड यूज़ this phrasal verb. The authorities did not accede to the strikers' demands. हम इसको इस तरह से कह सकते हैं उर्दू में कि अथॉरिटीज़ ने एहतजाज करने वालों के मुतालबात को कबूल नहीं किया. So this is how when your demands are been accepted or they are not been accepted, they are been acceded to or they are not been acceded to. So this is how we are going to use this phrasal verb. Or for example, my boss acceded to my request. It means to say he accepted my request. He accepted what I requested. These phrasal verbs are very essential for all the examinations. It is first year, second year, MA, MSc, BS and other competitive examinations. See you with the next phrasal verb. Allah Hafiz.